Hello, my name is Jordan Kitt, and welcome to Experiencing Change Thru Reinvention. Would it be okay to begin with a question? Why are you tolerating social anxiety? Right now, it's very likely that you're experiencing unwanted side effects, unhappiness, hopelessness, and frustration. The frustration alone is not allowing you to become the person you only wish you could be. If you have been internalizing this, I need you to understand that you are not alone. What if I told you that there is a way, by experiencing small changes, you can reinvent who you are? I will be taking you on a journey, showing you the techniques that I use to make small changes every day and over a short period of time, and now free from the social anxiety that kept me crippled for many years.
The more you ignore your social anxiety, the more days, weeks, months, and years will go by. We only have a limited amount of time to live. Experiencing change through reinvention will allow you to create balance by making small changes every day, allowing you to live a fuller life. It's very likely you resist change. We are creatures of habit, and change is just not a welcome thing. But if you truly want a different result in your life, you need to start making changes. Small changes add up to bigger changes. This is what I call the reinvention process. Ask yourself, if you could reinvent yourself, what kind of friends would you want to surround yourself with? What do you look for in the perfect partner? How would you feel if you could identify what it is that's been holding you back and then be able to take full control of your life?
You have two choices. You either live with the pain of regret or the pain of change. And thankfully, you can change. By experiencing change through reinvention, you will learn how making small changes in your diet, exercise, mindset, and improving your self-image over time will compound to achieve massive results. I will be taking you on a journey. We will be working together to make small changes that you will begin to see immediate results in just a few weeks. By addressing the very things that make up who you are, together we will work through the issues and address exactly what is holding you back. Self-discovery through reinvention will allow you to live a fuller life.
If you choose to make the right choice and discover reinvention, you can experience the reality you so deeply desire in your heart. Ask yourself, how much longer are you willing to tolerate your time being taken away from you? Are you going to spend every day for the rest of your life feeling unhappy, hopeless, and frustrated?
I personally stopped tolerating social anxiety and went through a transformational change of reinventing myself, which led me to creating Change Thru Reinvention. You too can begin to experience the joy and happiness of living that I do right now. So are you ready to take action and desire a new reality? Enter your name and email below and start your journey. My name is Jordan Kitt, and I do look forward to becoming part of your life by introducing you to Change Thru Reinvention.